Whoa. Today we're back with another Pickle Guys review.
So we tried it before and we got to the pickles and I think they were fermented is what we were told.
Yeah.
We had never tried fermented pickles before either, so we really didn't know what we were tasting. But they've sent us some more, so we're gonna try it again. I think these are pickled though, not fermented.
So the first one is tomatoes. So I want to tell everybody I'm very picky when it comes to my vegetables. So if I don't like these, it's not surprising.
Love my veggies.
She loves all the veggies. Why are they so dang big?
Oh, they smell so good.
Okay, that smells good. That smells like a pickle.
I'll try it.
You try the tomatoes. It's not fair for someone who doesn't like tomatoes.
I don't know why I grabbed it with that. No, already out. All right.
That's a big one.
It smells really good. All right, let's try it.
Wow. That crunch. Crunch was a 10 out of 10. It looks good.
It's delicious. That's a 10 out of 10.
10?
That's a
For a
10.
tomato?
It's
All right.
so good.
Let's move on to the next one that I think I'm probably not going to like. Pickled green beans.
She hates green beans.
Oh my gosh, like,
She's traumatized over a childhood green bean.
I'll never forget Mom making me try green beans at the dinner table and me like almost wanting to vomit.
It was the most horrible experience of her life.
But every Thanksgiving, Mom makes green beans and they look so good. And I try one every year and I still don't like them. But a pickled green bean, maybe. So cheers.
Cheers.
I just don't like green beans.
I like them. They're good.
The seasoning though, like the pickled taste, that's good. But there's something about them seeds in it when they pop out. Ooh.
I'm gonna give that one a 8 out of 10.
Dang. Okay, the next one we have from the Pickle Guys is the pickled onions. So red onions, it looks like. I have tried pickled red onions before. I have liked them.
We did a video on them. They're very strong.
They are very strong. We've never had the Pickle Guys one, so these I feel like are better in something. But I'm still gonna try them. They do
Got a
look
bay
good.
leaf on the top.
Can I smell?
These look really, really good. Cheers.
Cheers. Those are good.
They are good. They're very good.
I can't eat them plain.
I can't eat them plain either.
We'd have to
They're
put this in
very strong.
something.
Yes, but
Yeah.
they're great.
I give them a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, same.
Okay, so the next ones I'm actually really excited for. This is the okra. What are those?
That is mustard seed.
Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. Those got a bite to them. Those are
Oh,
good.
man.
Those are good.
Delicious. 10 out of 10. Absolutely 10 out of 10. So
Those are
good.
sour. Those are, what's the word I'm looking for?
Tart.
Tart? No. Really
so
sour.
good.
Give them like an 8 out of 10, but they're really good. What'd you give them?
10.
10? Wow.
Those are good.
Mom was liking the Pickle Guys today.
Delicious. These are the bread and butter pickles.
I like how thick
really good.
they are. Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh. There's a
It's still
flavor.
sour too.
It is really sour, but it is sweet. Cucumbers. Oh, maybe it's the mustard seeds we're tasting.
Oh,
They're
I bet
strong.
it is. Yeah, they're very strong.
It's very good. I give this one an 8 out of 10.
I give it an 8 out of 10 too. It's really good.
It's like, I think bread and butter pickles usually are more sweet. These are more sour. I like them.
But they still are sweet.
Those are really good. That would be good on a burger.
The pickle guys, yeah.
Thanks so much to the Pickle Guys for
Thank
sending
you.
us all of these.
Delicious.
We've learned that fermented pickles are not for us. It's an acquired taste.
But all this is.
But Mom was loving these today.
What should we try next?